Back at y'all with Liv'n, Alabama. Look at here, today we out joying around, having a little fun. We up here in Kansas on a vacation hunt is what I call it. But we ain't rabbit hunting today. We shooting birds. We got JT. Tell her.
Well, yep, getting ready to go ahead and thump some birds.
That's what I want to hear.
Sir. Yes, sir.
We got the bus driver.
All the way from Salem, Alabama.
Come on here with it. Let them know where you're from. And we got the grouch over there at the truck. The one that tell everything that don't supposed to be told. Y'all see him in a minute. We're gonna go and have a little fun. These birds' life is limited. It's not going to be long. And they gonna be gone. Well, all right. We'll be right back with y'all. Let us get set up for this hunt. She's shaking. She's shaking. She want to go up there so bad.
That's the sign of a good bird dog when they're just shaking.
She's just shaking.
Easy. All right, man, show it to me.
There it is.
Kill her. First shot. So boom.
Woo, boy, look at the feathers fly.
After that last one, he said, not again. Yep.
She gonna put it in your hand.
Gonna try it. I don't take it if you walk behind it. Here.
Came around and got in front of you. Got one here though.
All you guys, you ready? All right, man. Heck yeah.
Well, one thing about it, I got it.
I thought that was my shot.
Don't worry about it. We'll watch the video. It's right here, player. It's right here. You ready, fella?
Cody, you got yours over there. Kill it. Yeah. I've seen 3 different shots hit that bird. Yeah, I know. All 3 of y'all hit that. I'll take a guy over there. Take a couple. Yeah, here they come. Right here.
I want to go.
I don't think so. Ava, here. Oh, here.
Come on, JT, let's go get.
Here.
He went all the way over there to the other end of that field and landed. So where y'all talking about going rabbit hunting at? Well, man, I appreciate y'all.
Well, I appreciate you guys coming up and do it. Your hunting partners and all them would have worked out a little better for you. So I plus shot 8 of those.
Who?
You? I think you did shoot about 8 of them.
You think so?
You knocked most of them down. You do good.
This is my buddy. He's headed back to the truck because he think the rabbit is fixing to cross the road. He stopped because he heard me talking about him. Watch him, he's gonna hobble his little butt on off in a minute. Watch him. You seen him? You seen him? Get him. I don't know, I'm finna see. He ain't going nowhere. He ain't going nowhere. Don't talk about this 30-inch barrel, Remington 11 Hummer.
Going back down to the 28.
What wrong, man?
That thing is hidden now.
Sound like Fort Knox, baby. And you gotta be careful, cause a lot of times where we at, we done jumped a few rabbits. Another one may get up and come out.
Dead.
Wait a minute,
Dead.
wait a minute, hold on.
That thing I mauled the roots up in there.
Hold on, hold that right there. Let me see something. And what I'm looking for is, That look like a rabbit tail right here. I know I ain't blow all that out.
Look at it.
What? There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Let's see what I can do. You want me to? There it is. Luke got it.
That dog was running through there, boy.
You get him, Luke?
I just told him. Didn't I just say most things you got to be careful? Because 2 rabbits may come out. That's another rabbit, another rabbit, another rabbit, another rabbit. And the crowd clears out. Between this road and my dogs. You can. I didn't kill them though. I'm satisfied. These dogs. There you go. They went. There you go. Dead. He dead. Hell, 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 hell. Come on here. Come on here. Come on here. Come on here. This is what y'all looking for. That wind got y'all throwed off. Come here, Rosie. Rosie. Wild-Eyed Rose. Come on here. Come on here. Come on, Simple Six. Come on here, lady. Come on, who's that lady? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hell, 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 hell. Come on here. Jane, let's pull them back this way.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Hey, let's go down this fence line, right? We're going to go out and curl. Help, 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 help. Hey, this is what you get when you got all them boys and they show enough tired. They are whoa slamming in the mud. Look at them. They can't even hardly walk, including myself. The dogs run a rabbit. I'm going to the truck. The dog's tired. All of them ain't even barking. They need to come on here. No, y'all ain't got to follow me. Know about y'all? I'll say, them dogs ain't got their second wind. They want to work a little bit now, y'all. Rabbit just crossed. They seen him. Old man drawed down on him. He had enough room to kill him. I don't know why he didn't shoot him. Yeah, the race would have been over. And he left the door swinging. He left the door swinging and banging, baby. That was Senior Finn. Now if that rabbit come back across, I ain't gonna let him walk. I'm gonna go ahead and cut him down. I doubt if the dogs can run him in that stuff right there because the wind is like really, really cutting up. I see leaves flipping across the field. How? I gotta go, y'all. I gotta go. I can't stay. Huh? Yeah, I know it. I'm gonna call them out. Help, 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 help. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Help, 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 help. Help, 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 help. Well, it's the end of the day. We're on our final rabbit. I'm tired, y'all. Whew, I'm tired. Boots done got heavy. Still trying to hold on to this old bunny. Well, I guess they couldn't run it. The wind's still blowing, as y'all can see, real good. Pretty good. So, off in the ease, back out. And I'll holler at y'all when I get to the truck. Bus driver, turn around, listen. How many you done killed today? 2. All right, you got 2. Old bus driver. Pumpkin. How many you got today?
Got me 1, baby.
Got you one. Sis Trunk, talk to me, cholesterol.
1 in the screw up one.
Oh boy, that ain't no good. That ain't no good. Bigger.
Hey.
Talk to me.
I'm just directing.
They say you the man, the only man around here ain't killed a rabbit.
I'm just directing dogs. I'm doing a guided hunt today.
I hear you, boy. I tell you what, you got them things tight and right now. Them suckers, they smoking.